Human sexuality has been the subject of study in various disciplines, including psychology. Over the years, researchers have explored various aspects of the psychology of sex, from motivation and desire to intercourse and pleasure. In this fact guide, we'll explore some of the leading research in this field to gain a deeper understanding of the psychology of sex. Section 1. Motivation and sexual desire. Sexual motivation refers to the internal and external factors that drive people to seek sexual experiences. According to Helen Singer Kaplan's theory of sexual motivation, there are 3 phases in the human sexual response: desire, arousal, and orgasm. Researchers have studied factors that influence sexual desire, such as testosterone, relationship quality, and external stressors such as stress and anxiety. Section 2. Sexual orientation. Sexual orientation refers to a person's pattern of sexual attraction to other people. Research suggests that sexual orientation is largely biological, with evidence of structural differences in the brain and hormonal differences in people with different sexual orientations. Although sexual orientation cannot be changed, conversion therapy, which seeks to change a person's sexual orientation, is ineffective and potentially harmful. Section 3. Sexual relations and affection. Research has found that relationship quality and emotional intimacy are important factors in sexual satisfaction. People who are in long-term monogamous relationships tend to have a better quality of sex life than people who are single or in casual relationships. Open communication and understanding of a partner's sexual needs are also important to a successful sexual relationship. Section 4. Sexual problems. Sexual problems, such as erectile dysfunction and hypoactive sexual desire disorder, are common and can have a significant impact on quality of life. Sex therapy can be effective in treating some sexual problems, especially when combined with couples therapy and cognitive behavioral approaches. It is important to address sexual problems with a mental health professional to prevent deterioration of the relationship and quality of sexual life. Section 5. Cultural and social influence on sexuality. Sexuality is also influenced by cultural and social factors, such as social norms, gender expectations, and religious beliefs. Cultural and social influences on sexuality can limit a person's sexual expression and enjoyment of sexuality, especially in conservative communities. Sex education and the promotion of acceptance and understanding of sexual diversity can help address these limitations and improve the quality of people's sexual lives. Section 6. The role of communication in sexuality. Open and honest communication is essential for satisfying sexuality, as it helps people understand their partner's needs and desires and set clear boundaries and expectations. Lack of communication in sexuality can lead to misunderstandings, resentment, and sexual problems. Couples therapy can help people improve their sexual communication and resolve problems related to sexuality. Section 7. The role of consent in sexuality. Consent is a key element in healthy and satisfying sexuality, and must be obtained in all sexual interactions. Consent refers to the mutual and conscious agreement of all parties involved in a sexual activity, without coercion or pressure. Lack of consent in sexuality can be considered a form of sexual assault and can have serious legal and psychological consequences. The psychology of sex also examines how sexual experiences can affect people's mental and emotional health. Positive sexual experiences can improve self-esteem and life satisfaction, while negative sexual experiences can lead to emotional problems, such as anxiety, depression, and shame. Sex therapy is a form of treatment that focuses on helping people overcome sexual problems and improve their sex lives. Sex therapy can address a wide range of problems, including erectile dysfunction, low sexual desire, pain during intercourse, and lack of orgasm. Sex therapy can involve both individuals and couples and can help improve sexual communication, sexual knowledge, and sexual self-esteem. The psychology of sex is also concerned with sexual diversity and the different ways in which people can express their sexuality. Sexual orientation is an important aspect of sexuality, and the psychology of sex has studied how people experience and express their sexual orientation. The psychology of sex has also explored the way people may identify as asexual, pansexual, queer, and other terms related to sexual diversity. In general, the psychology of sex is a constantly evolving field that addresses a wide range of issues related to human sexuality. By better understanding the psychology of sex, we can help improve people's sexual and emotional health and foster a society that is more open and understanding of sexual diversity.